Good morning, everyone. We are going to continue learning about fractions. And today we're going to learn about equivalent fractions. So, equivalent comes from the word equal. So, what we are going to do is divide all these fraction strips. We're going to call them, because it's a strip, like a strip of paper, that actually you can make at your house. So, we are going to divide. First of all, you can see all of them are exactly the same size. This is a whole, another whole, another whole, another, and another. Okay, these wholes are the same size. The first one, we are going to divide it in two equal parts. The second one, we're going to divide it into 4 equal parts. The third one, we're going to divide it into how many? Excellent, 6 equal parts. The next, how many? Perfect, 8 equal parts. And the last one, we divided it into 10 equal parts. So, as you can see, first we saw the whole. All the whole of this and this and this, they are the same size. The fractions are the ones that are different, the way we divide it or cut it or fold it if you do it with a fraction strip. So now let's go into coloring. So in this one, I am going to color. Who can tell me the fraction for this one? Exactly, very good. In this one, we colored 1/2. Okay? Now, equivalent fraction means that even here we have more parts. We divided this into 4. How many parts do I need to color from this whole to make it the same as this piece? Excellent. The ones that said 2, a pat on your back. So let's color 2 and let's use a different color. So as you can see, here we have 1, here we have 2, but at the end, if you look at the whole of these two parts and these, they are the same, they are equal. That's why they are called equivalent fractions. So in the next one, first of all, let's write the fraction. So how many parts did we color? 2. And how many are there in all? 4. Excellent. So we colored 2/4. That means that 1/2 is exactly the same as 2/4. Okay, let's go to the next one. How many parts do I need to color here to make it equal to this and equal to these 2 parts? Exactly. If you said 3, a big pat on your back. As you can see, from here to here is the same as from here to here, these 2 parts, and from here to here, these 3 parts. So now let's write the equivalent fraction. How many parts did we color to make it equal? 3. Perfect. Sorry, but I am using a paintbrush. And how many parts are in all? What's the whole? Excellent. 6 parts make the whole. So keeping in mind the other fractions. That means 1/2. That means one of the 2, or 2 of these 4 parts, or 3 of these 6 parts are the same. 1/2 is equal to 2/4 and it's equal to 3/6. Okay, the next one. How many parts do I need to color to make it equivalent? Perfect. If you said 4, a pat on your back. Oops. There it goes. Let's color them another yellow green, lemon green. So with the colors you can see until here they are all the same, even they are divided into different parts. So let's write the fraction. How many parts did we color here? Excellent. We colored 4 out of how many? How many were in total? Excellent. 8. So 4/8 is the same as 3/6, 2/4, and 1/2. The last one, how many parts do I need to color to make it equivalent to all these other? Perfect. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts make it the same. Excellent. So let's write the fraction. So, how many parts did we color here? Excellent. 5 out of how many were in total? 10. Perfect. So, that means, let's wrap it up. That means that 1/2, which is our first fraction and fraction strip, is equivalent or the same as 2/4, which is our second fraction, and it's equal to 3/6, and it's equal to 4/8, and the last one, it's equal to 5/10. Okay, today that's all we are doing in your Google Slides. Next time, we're gonna learn how to do it without looking at the pictures. Okay, I will just tell you a fraction like 2/4 and you have to tell me which are the equivalent fractions without drawing the picture. But there's a super easy clue that you will learn in the next class. For today, you just have to understand equivalent fractions comes from the word equal. That means that you have the same whole, as you can see from here to here, they have to be the same size, but you divide into different parts to see which parts get to the same point. They are equal, okay? So now it's time to go and answer your Google Slides.